Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ashmi from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. So today's topic is about ER diagram for the student database. So let's first see what is students management systems. The student management system is a type of solutions tool that provides the facility to track maintain, manage the data generated by the school, including the grade, attendance, and impersonal record of the students. What is an ER diagram? We can also call ER diagram of the database designs for the student management system project. So, however, the entities of the related to each other. The most important part of this ER diagram is relationships, attributes, and entities. So this is the diagram for the student management systems. So this is how it is framed for the each student database systems. So next we'll see what is the importance of ER diagrams. The importance is nothing but the ER diagram for the project is this foundation for buildings of database of the project, and the properties, data types, attributes are defined for the ER diagrams. So the ER diagram for the student management system for the system data and their attributes. The data and the attributes are represented by the table, and the table shows how they are related to each other, right? So this is the tables, how they are differentiated among each others, like student registrations, count offers, courses offered, staffs reports, department, project transformations, transfer ID, name, like that. This may it has differentiated with among various types of student management systems. So next we'll see. So next, let us go on to the student management system via diagram tables. So this shows how all about the tables, field name descriptions, data types, and character length. Each table of this ER diagram defines and explains how the data is stored. So the field column lists all the database attributes and describes each column and types of tables of the database that shows what kind of data each attribute is. And the length shows how many characters it has. So this is differentiated as students, courses offered, staff, staff department, reports, student registrations, project transactions, staff department. So this is how it is differentiated for each ER diagrams, and it is shown as tables. So next, let's move on to ER diagrams of student management system. Let us continue. So in database management system, ER diagrams for the student management system shows how the database are connected to each other, and it shows how the databases are logically related to each other. And we can also create an ER diagram by drawing the figure of different parts of the student management system, the properties and how they perform their task. We can draw an ER diagram for the student management system by drawing the design of the database and sketch of the database. That ER diagram of student management system of following labels are used. So these are the following: entity, attribute, relationship, and so on. So first we'll see what is entity. In relational database, it represents such a data in which all the row represents an entity intents, and it has entity of primary piece of code called as entity class. So all the entities can be utilized with the help of helper class. So attribute. In database management system, the attributes refers to the database component. So the database component includes a table. An attribute also refers to the field of database, and it also specializes the instance of database column. Relationship. In database system, the relationship is present between two relational database tables. So this is possible when foreign keys of one table references to the primary key of the table with help of relationships, and we can store and divide the data in the table. So let us see how to create an ER diagram. So there are following steps to create an ER diagram. So first step, we'll have to familiarize ourselves with entity relationship diagram, coordinatory and symbols. When we have to show the data structures of the project in entity relationship, the diagram of the single entity relationship shows to fit together. Before making the ER diagram, we should properly know the meaning of all symbols and how to use them and symbols. So they are fields, keys. In keys, they are differentiated with primary key and foreign key. Finalize the entities that is included. So let So next is step 3. First, we have to add the attributes of each entity. After you have decided on the entities, think about the traits you will need for each one. In a conceptual ER diagram, the details of the different entities are given as attributes. And the attributes of the different things that traits many-to-many relationships or one-to-one relationship. Attributes with multiple values can be given more than one value. So describe the relationship between the entity and attributes. So this is all about the students management systems. So conclusion is you need to know how student management systems was designed and built using diagrams. With the help of an ER diagram, it will help you to make the system that works well. So, making it help you can understand how the software works behind the scenes, and this is where the data where it goes out of the systems will be stored. So, this is all about the student management systems. So, that's all for the video. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Please do share it to your friends. Do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.